Hi, today I will show you how to remove and put back Technic's noise-cancelling headphones earpads cushions. These are higher quality headphones and they are worth at least $200. To remove the earpads cushions, you have to put your finger inside ear cup and pull the pads off. As you can see, it is held to the body of the headphones by this groove. Just pull pad off the headphones without any fear. In the same way, remove the other earpad. The bad news is that in Amazon and Aliexpress do not sell these replacement earpad cushions. The best way is to measure pads and buy new replacement earpads according to the measurements. They would also fit from Audio Technica M series or Hyperx Cloud headphones. You can put earpads back on quite easy. Make sure the seam of the earpad is down. Then put some of the edge of the earpad inside the groove of the headphone body. Be sure to hold the inserted segment of earpads with the fingers of your other hand, so edge doesn't come out. And then pull the remaining edge of the earpad inside the seam of the headphone body. As soon as you put one of the segments into the groove, hold it with the fingers of your other hand to prevent it from slipping out. In this way, move forward in a circle until the entire edge is pulled into the groove. When you have pulled the whole edge of earpad into place, rotate the earpad cushion so that it sits better in place. Repeat the same steps on the other earpad cushion until the whole edge is pulled back into place. This way you can put new ear cups on your Technics headphones. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Good luck.